Meredith Ringel and colleagues have proposed a very interesting framework for classifying the artificial general intelligence. What they have done is they have come up with levels of AGI. With levels of AGI, now we have a formalized process to classify them. So primarily what it does is it proposes a framework for categorizing AGI models based on performance and generality, outlines six guiding principles for AGI assessment, and emphasizes safe deployment considerations. Now, this framework is to classify the capabilities and behavior of AGI models and their precursors. As I mentioned earlier, this framework introduces levels of AGI performance, generality, and autonomy too. So, what these researchers are hoping is that this framework will be useful in an analogous way to the levels of autonomous driving by providing a common language to compare models, assess risks, and measure progress along the path to AGI. They have come up with few principles and levels. So you can see on your screen that there are in level 0 there is no AI, in level 1 it's emerging, then competent, and it is evolving, expert, virtuoso. So at least virtuoso is, for example, 99th percentile of skilled adults. And then we have superhuman, which is, I guess, the ultimate goal of AI, where it outperforms 100% of humans, which is huge. And if you check out, it says that what is the current status, at least emerging one is like ChatGPT and stuff which are equal to or somewhat better than an unskilled human. And then we are already on level one, and the efforts are underway where level two is being trying is being tried to achieve. Now, it is not yet achieved, but when it is, it will be 50th percentile of skilled adults. So, if you are worried about your job due to the artificial intelligence, you need to check out these levels, and no need to worry as much as of now because still it is, if you're unskilled, then it may be a threat. But if you are a skilled human and if you can do your job properly, especially the white collars one, I think you should be good for at least few years because level it will take some time to reach level 2. It will happen but not immediately. And then expert, virtuoso, and of course superhuman, in my opinion that will happen too. And but then we will have another things to do, I believe, but that is in the far future, so let's not worry about it. But pretty interesting that now people are coming up with all of these levels. And then not only they have specified these levels, but they have also discussed how these levels of AGI interact with deployment considerations such as autonomy and risk, and emphasize the importance of carefully selecting human AI interaction paradigms for responsible and safe deployment of highly capable AI systems. Very interesting. Would highly encourage you to read through this, um, because it's a very fine read and it's not a dry research read, but in effect, pretty good one. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts or questions, please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.